Step 1. Left-click Start button. Type Control Panel. Left-click Control Panel. Step 2. Select small icons in View By, as in this video. Left-click Network and Sharing Center. Left-click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Step 3. Select Turn on Network Discovery to show and discover your computer to others, and others' computer can find and discover your computer. Step 4. Select Turn off Network Discovery to hide your computer to others, and others' computer cannot find and discover your computer. Step 5. Select Turn on File and Printer Sharing to show and sharing your files and printer to the network. Step 6. Select Turn off File and Printer Sharing to hide your files and printer from the network. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.